I'm going to say something that's going to annoy half the QA people watching this. The industry is splitting in two. One group's still writing the same Selenium suites they wrote back in 2019. Same setup, same reports, same way of doing everything. And they're quietly terrified. Every time a layoff thread shows up on LinkedIn, their stomach drops a little. They just don't say it out loud. The other group took that same testing brain and pointed it at AI. And those people are getting pulled onto platform teams for salaries that didn't exist a year ago, doing jobs they didn't even know existed. The second group just stopped waiting for permission to learn where the job was going. They moved before something bad forced them to. And I get why the first group is stuck. Doing this on your own is brutal. You open a bunch of tabs, half the YouTube tutorials are already outdated, you can't tell what actually matters. And a week later, you quietly give up and tell yourself you'll get to it later. You know the feeling. So, the problem was never that you can't learn it. The problem is you keep trying to learn it alone from people that don't even do this for a living. And testing an AI for hallucinations, bias, prompt injection, that's just QA. You're pointing the same skills at a system that hallucinates instead of a service that throws a 500. You already have the instinct. The tooling and market overview is the only new part, and that is easy when someone shows you. That's what we're doing July 11th and 12th in California. 2 days, hands-on, Playwright and Claude code on day 1, breaking live AI systems on day 2. In a room with people who've done it, instead of alone at midnight with 20 tabs open. Links below, the room's small on purpose. So, which group do you want to be in?